Good morning. How are we doing?
Good morning,
Good.
Mr. Janos.
How you doing, brother? Oh, and then we
What
got
are
Aaron
you? What's
too.
up, Aaron?
Like, man, I just joined and I heard voices. I was like, oh.
Just
Morning,
Come on,
man.
everybody. Happy
Yes.
Monday,
Munden.
sir. Good morning, Trader Steve, Tamar, Sergio, Legrand, Awkward, Alpha Trader. Good morning. Good morning, YouTube, AJ, George. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hope everybody had a fantastic weekend
Yes, sir.
and absolutely ready to demolish these markets this week.
Sounds like some people already got off to a good start.
yeah.
Yeah, it would appear that way, Mr. Janos.
Yeah,
It's
Hey.
bleeding, bro. It's bleeding.
bro, crazy. I love it. I love it.
W, man. W. Good morning, Knowles. How you doing, brother?
Good morning.
No.
Yeah. We took a nice trade in Asia.
W.
I'm guessing sales.
Yeah.
W, bro.
Yeah, we
Nice.
can get to
Gold
that later.
is...
Yeah.
Wow, gold is not stopping.
No,
Yeah.
bro.
It's crazy, actually.
Crazy.
That's a true melter. A true bleeder.
Whew, okay, well, let us pray. Let's get this week started. Then just gonna kick us off with an analysis. Shall we do it?
Yes, sir.
W.
Okay, let's pray. Let's pray. Jesus, thank you for this lovely and blessed day that you have blessed us with, Lord. Thank you that we get to see yet another week. I pray that you just go before us through this entire week. May we execute on our moves. May we execute on our plans inside of trading and outside of trading, Father. I just pray that you just be the light unto our path and lamp unto our feet. So that we may walk in the way that you have designed for us. Thank you for bringing us yet together. I just ask that you just bless us, guide us, keep us safe, and may your name be glorified in all that we do, Lord. And we pray this in your name only. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Yes,
Amen.
sir.
Now I hear an alarm that I'm gonna go switch off.
Yes, sir.
Janosh, on to you.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Tama. All right. Let's look at Goldie. What a crazy bleeder. I mean, we started this last week, and I don't know if you guys can remember when we were up in this zone. And then we had this breakout right here. Man, what a move since then. What a bleeder. But let's see, we got a new week. This daily, it opened up and made a nice top wick. We tapped into those wicks, those previous wicks. We opened up with a gap, immediately filled that one, and then we came down, broke the lows, and just dropped for like almost 3,000 pips here. So yeah, I guess we are bearish for today. Let's see how we can get into sells, because I think the daily can still drop until these supports down here. So there's still, if you break the lows, there's still at least like 500 pips to be part of. So let's see. The 4 hour just read like the daily. We just bled down, and looks like these candles kept increasing their volume. You know, every closure, every candle just became bigger. That's pretty crazy to see how we just, because normally you would think, maybe this is overextended, but Goldie just kept going. So on the 4 hour we have no top wick, and we just bled down for 1,500 pips, something light. Yeah, let's see. On the 1 hour we have we had a breakout here, and then just a drop on that new 4 hour. So that first 1 hour candle closed bearish, left a wick to fill. This new one just opened up and is trying to fill that wick already. So nothing that we can really take away from the 1 hour structure right here. So let's scale down lower. 30-minute pretty much the same, nothing much. And then the 15, see on the 15 we have something to play with. We have a 50-minute support, so this is basically all the range we have right now. Yeah, scale up to the 30 again and look a little bit on the left. What's going on there? Gotta scroll far. It's a long time ago. Okay, we are there. Let's see. Looks like there's a gap right here below this range. I'm marking this up just to see what happened to that one on the right. So yeah, clean range until here. We're currently in this one, so there's clean range up above, and there's clean range below this. Yeah, so let's see. Let's go back. And we filled that gap. So yeah, I like closures below. And then fill this range. Otherwise, pullbacks and something sells from up here would be better. That's pretty easy today. We just gotta be patient and wait for the right setup.
W.
W, as you were looking for that, when you went right, I just saw that entire gap get filled. Like 100 pips, no time. Crazy.
Yeah. This wasn't a daily open, and then it just let down.
Yeah, bro.
And the trade we took was basically just this 30-minute onion right here.
W. W.
But of course, you know how it is. We just got to TP1 and then back to break even. As you can see, we came down.
Yeah.
Let's see on the 15. Yeah, here you can see it. We tap partials, and then we tap break even, and then it's sold off. So sadly, only TP1, but W trade, W read.
Nice, bro. Nice trade. Okay, this is a 700 and something pip 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
Absolutely wild. Wild scenes.
Good morning, Spatas, and good morning, George.
Good morning.
Happy New Week. Hey, did you guys see Upendra?
Yeah, bro. What the heck was that? 2,000 pips? Record smashed. Hello?
Yeah, on a personal account.
Dude.
Pendra took this trade. And he's probably still holding right now.
This guy's
He took some
crazy.
partials here, somewhere there. Bro, Upendra, full TP. Crazy, man. I'm so proud of this guy. Proud of a lot of guys in here. And girls. Everybody's
bro.
killing it, man. It's crazy.
This guy. closes 50, goes risk free, and holds for 2,000 pips.
I want a G, man.
Wow.
Good morning, TND. Yeah, or he has an OTP and he just keeps holding for the rest of the year.
Oh, what a trade, though. What a trade. Man, dude, we're at $4,100 per ounce right now.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah, but that's crazy.
You guys remember when the guys went and bought physical gold and stood in line? That was right here, man. That was the sell signal, bro. I told you. People standing in line to buy physical gold, bro. That was the sell signal for sure. Those poor guys, they're down like 25%. On gold. I shouldn't laugh,
Right,
man.
man.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
It's coming back, that's for sure, but it's gonna take some time, probably.
Yeah. Knowing gold, though, unfortunately, it could take one day for it to come all the way back
that's
up.
true. Good morning, Orchid, or good. What is it now? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ockert.
Oh yeah, true TND. It bled right after we got stopped.
Dang.
Crazy.
Market open, I see, was pretty bullish. It opened up bullish.
Yeah, it gap, like Goldie opened up with a gap down, and then it bled down first, and then it just built the gap up, grabbed highs, and closed back below. And
Wonder
that's when
how
we...
many buyers got in there, bro.
Yeah.
I'm buying the dip. This thing gotta go up.
Probably the guys who bought physical gold.
Good morning, Zar Trader. Goeiemorgen.
CT he's crazy.
But you closed. Like I'm speaking about how many buyers got in there, and we're like, you know what? This thing's reversing from here, bro. Watch. Weekly open. This thing's not coming down. You know, you got 124 pips from that W. I mean, you could have snagged like nearly 1,000 pips from that. So it's not like there was no opportunity. It's just I know how many people were trying to call the bottom based off of that candle alone. Thanks for stopping by on YouTube, Tamar. You a true G. True G.
Good morning, Zard Trader. Good to see you.
Oh my goodness, my stream's not up.
How dare you?
Bro, I don't even know which range to mark.
Yeah, nothing. Cannot get in. Gotta be patient today. I know it's tempting to just press the sell button, but you don't want to be in a pullback.
Nah. Because that pullback can be pretty aggressive.
Yeah, those ranges
Or
are
to be super minor, yeah.
yeah, those ranges are insane. Gotta be careful here.
Yeah, best thing to do in any case is wait for the pullback and get a fresh resistance, you know. But like you were looking for, this 15 resistance would have been pretty nice, but
Yeah.
yeah, I
Closer.
don't think so, sir.
Closer if it was down here, then we could have taken the sells, but now it's just
Yeah.
trade is done.
Now, if we can close where we're at, maybe form a support, come back and retest that zone at 187, and then form a resistance to continue coming down.
Yeah. And then maybe from there keep going up a little bit, because we tap into some major daily support, so
Yeah.
I'm expecting that we get at least some reaction here.
Yeah.
Sometime.
Yeah, but the reaction might just be so quick and short-lived, because if we look at this daily, there were so many zones for this thing to, you know, be like, nah, I'm good. Let's go back up. But dang, this thing is just, wow, crazy.
No. Now we just gotta wait.
Hey, your line's squiggly too, bro. You see?
Yeah. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. I don't know why.
No, mine's not.
No, mine's not either. I think it's if you go like straight up, it's getting jiggly. But if you go to the side, it's getting clean. Yeah. Professional chart drawing artist. Alright, let's see what did silver do. I didn't even check silver this whole morning. Pretty much the same, just not that much.
Yeah. We got the 15 top wick, just 400 pips. Yeah. Are you ready for top step restrictions again, bro?
Yeah, that's what I thought about too. Yeah, silver's getting tough here if it goes like this on the 30. You got a closure below, but then you're in the middle of this range. And the next one is down here, so kind of want to see it close below this if you're looking for sells, or up here. But then if it closes up there, you get the 15 closing pretty much bullish, like a nice support to go up. So silver looking a little bit tough. I think waiting on a pullback here, just like Goldie, because yeah, maybe grab these highs and then get a closure back below, and then you sell down. That's the safest play.
TND. Keep it on the low. Bro, they're gonna do it to protect us, TND. Come on. We need that protection, bro.
There he is.
Oh, the man.
Mr.
The man of the
2000
hour.
pips.
What's up, Pendra? You saucy man.
Feels really great, I bet. I think this is my sign to finally open up my personal account this
bro,
week.
honestly.
I mean, I could have just pressed sell at market open, woke up today and maybe like tripled my account.
Bro, imagine. You officially hold the record, Upendra.
Are you still holding?
In his message here, it says you closed full
Oh, okay.
at 2,000 pips.
I'll close.
Come on, Upendra, bro. You could have gone 4,000 pips.
Could have made 500 more, bro.
Dang.
What a trade, man. Insane hold. That's like catching a trade like this. We do this often, right? But being able to hold it, man, that's got some respect.
Imagine seeing 1,000 pips, you know, and be like, you know what? let's go for another 1,000.
Double it and give it to the next person.
Double it and give it to me. That's what Upendra said.
Wow.
Yeah, share it, brother. Share it. Look at that.
Do you mind
Wow.
sharing what size your account is?
Wow.
You had 2K, so you almost doubled your account with that trade. Bro, Upendra, man. Congratulations on that one, bro. Yeah, trades like moves like these, if you're seeing them and if you're long enough in the markets to understand what's happening, I mean, if you're on a personal, you can take so much advantage, which Upendra just perfectly did here. Great job, man.
Wow, Upendra. It's the only word that comes to mind.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's inspirational. Wait till AB wakes up. He's straight going into another trade, bro. He's going for 3K pips. It was AB. Hey, Aaron has the record for the biggest payout, I think. It was.
Yeah. Yeah, that trade Aaron took, I think, was around 900 and something pips.
AB, you mean? Oh,
To be exact. No, Aaron.
oh, okay.
And then AB had the 1,000 pipper.
Oh, yeah. No, Pendra doubled it. That's crazy.
Bro, now it's not even close to Pendra. Thank you, bro. Wow.
Now we gotta go
Not
for
even
4K, man. What the?
Now I got a full board and hope for the best.
Yeah, the next record. At least we gotta at least break it by 1,000 pips.
Yeah, anything less is an insult.
You can imagine how many folks are bottom calling gold while you're holding a short. Yeah. Today, I don't even want to know how many people blew their account because they thought goalie was at the bottom. You just gotta accept at some days that you don't want to buy at all or sell at all. You know, if goalie's just pumping like crazy, I'm not selling on that day. Just
Yeah,
too
what's the
risky.
point? Yeah. And
Yeah.
a lot of people probably blew personal accounts, not even fundeds.
True. That's the saddest part because then you cannot just buy a new account. I
Yeah,
mean,
it's gone.
it's gone. Alright, Orchid. Be safe.
Alright, brother. Hope it's not another watch gold bleed day, to be honest. But if that's what it is, then that's what it is. We cannot control these markets.
I mean, it is already. Kind of.
Yeah, yeah.
There was one nice pullback in between. When I was sleeping. Nice, Upendra. True, you know us South African. When you see the sell, it's a full pot on personal. Yeah, you guys are reckless. You guys are different, man.
Those guys. Oh, those guys are funny.
Alright, goalie, come on. Give us support and then move up. Grab those highs. Fresh resistance. We sell. Double bottom. We buy. I'm kidding. I'm not buying.
Yeah, W. You heard it, gang. You heard it. Is Victoria? Are you here this morning? I hope we'll see you again.
I was wondering too. She just pip and tips.
Miss Victoria won a giveaway from us last week, and are you here, Victoria? By any chance? I don't want to count her out, if she's
No,
actually
no.
here, but but I don't think so. That's
Oh,
okay.
it is it is what it is.
Yeah.
Might come back for the next combine.
Mr. AB. Good morning.
The first message, 2,000 pips. Holy. Good morning, bro. Exactly, man. It's literally like, if you guys win, it's a W for us too now, because that's what we're here for. We all want to win together.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you used the close 50% and then no break even. Nice. So you just set and forget. Nice one. Bro, that's so smart on a day like this, honestly. That was the smartest move you could do. Because the worst thing that could have happened was taking one loss. And then once you have the partials, it's just the worst thing can happen is break even. But for it to go to break even, price would have to reverse heavily. So yeah, man, good decision.
Very smart move.
And we got some 50-minute closing bullish. Weak, but bullish. Let's see if we can run up. Yeah, give me 2 minutes.
Hi, brother. Mr. Alex on charts. Good morning, brother. Good morning, Benji. Happy Monday. It's gonna be a good week. Gonna be a good week. Yeah, me too, Benji. W weekend. Kind of just glad it's Monday though, to be completely frank.
Going back.
Hello, back.
Oh, Victoria, are you here? Are you on the YouTube chat?
What?
Just got a message from her. Thank you, and a screenshot. She got a top one.
Ah, W.
Let's go.
W Victoria. May that account be blessed. May it reap many rewards.
When did you
And if
close?
it doesn't, on to the next.
Oh, we closed it. We got BE, Alex. So See how we got activated on that 30-minute onion here? Break of the lows. And then we chopped around a little bit. Then that 15 we tapped our partials. And then we moved stops to break even and planned to go to sleep. And then we got hit. And after that it just melted. But yeah, sadly.
Yeah, see, on a personal, that would have been much easier to manage.
Yeah.
But because you're dealing with a prop firm, you have to go by their rules and catch what you can, right?
Yeah. That's why I think that's my sign this week to start a personal account now, finally. Because moves like this,
Yeah,
man, you
bro.
can really take advantage on.
Mhm.
On the personal.
And you can risk much less. Like, you can risk less than 1 MGC, you know? Yeah, it'd be W move, though. It's nice about personal, bro. If you, let's say if it's Forex, of course. Let's say you risk 1 MGC, you can close half of that MGC, you know?
Yeah. True. There she is. We got Victoria on the stream.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, congrats on that giveaway. Hope you pass that account and take some profits away. First giveaway winner on the YouTube stream. I think TND won one before, right? On the Discord.
Yeah, TND. What's that other guy's name? SND or whatever. Sad. Mr.
Yeah.
Sand. I don't know.
True, yeah. You won the first one. Oh, okay, then my bad. Yeah, it's been some time. We need the next giveaway coming.
Yeah, it's coming.
Oh, yeah, true. You gave it to somebody. Yeah. Man, that's so nice.
Oh. What, didn't you give it to that SND guy or whatever his name was? I think something like that. W Alex UG. But if you win the next one, just you have all of our permission to keep it.
Yeah, whoever wins, do whatever you want with it. You can. Don't feel the need to give it away just because you're already doing good in the markets, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, it was SP. Thanks, AB.
SP, yeah.
Good morning, Jamil. Good to see you, brother. Happy Monday. W Alex.
Dang, did it take so long to get the money sent? I thought Wise would be quicker. Guess we
Looking at
get...
the sales trading agent, I was a bit hesitant because I don't trade agent. Check him first hour market open. Yeah. Yeah, these guys are good, Mr. Janosch. NAB. W Goldie.
Yeah, Jimmy, I feel that if you're not used to a session and it's scary to just jump onto the first setup that you see, because it's like, can I trust this? But if you like trade the session for, let's say, a couple of weeks, maybe 4 to 8 weeks, I think you get a good grip of when good setups appear and when not.
Yeah. Yeah, if you want to trade it, definitely trade it regularly. I went into one Asian once. I hadn't traded Asian pretty much ever. Took a big L, and I never went back
Yeah.
to take another trade. Dang, Alice says Asian's killing it, so maybe, I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, Asia's been crazy. I mean, market open on Sunday is just different. You had so much volume in the markets.
Most volatile day of the week, bro.
Yeah. And AB and me, we had the same read, just on different time frames. You know, he was looking for the same setup basically, just on the lower time frame, and it all made sense for me too. And then we ended up taking both the same same trade.
You should have held, bro. That's your sign. Hold.
Yeah, next time I'm gonna do. Just as because it was start of the week, I was just going break even, and I wanted to go to bed because
Yeah.
you saw these candles. It was looking like we lose in volume.
Yeah.
And we got that push, and it came back up, and we were like, okay, let's just whatever. And then it just. what a drop from there. Nice. I like gold. Exactly what we wanted Goldie to do. Coming back up. Giving us a nice pullback.
Yeah.
We wanted to go to sleep, yeah. $1,000 pips pullback.
Yeah, W pullback. W pullback.
Yeah, we are now inside this 15 range right now again. So if we can break out again and then close somewhere up here.
You know
Looks-
what's scary?
What?
That's a tradable range.
Yeah, that's true actually. That's 400 pips. Oh man. What are we doing here, Goldie? Yeah. TND. Upendra just doubled his personal account almost. Upendra, what's the plan with the personal? You gonna take money out, or you plan on growing it? Or both, maybe you can do both.
I mean, with that one, you can most certainly do both, bro.
Yeah, growing nice.
Mm.
I mean, you're on a good way.
Yeah, bro.
What did you deposit?
I think he said 2K.
I think the balance before the trade was 2K, but
Yeah, you're right.
nice. Yeah, recover some losses. Nice.
W.
Yeah, that's a jump.
Those are the kind of jumps you see in coins, bro.
Yeah.
This guy's doing it on Forex.
Upendra got altcoin season on his personal account.
Oh,
Yeah,
W.
you will 100% get there. Just don't rush it. Let it come naturally, like this trade today. You didn't plan on catching 2,000 pips today. You just got them.
Yeah. If I plan to catch 2K pips, yeah, I don't want to imagine what's gonna happen.
Yeah, man. You got this, Upendra. You're on a really good way, man. Killing it. See. Kinda like impulse sells.
Oh,
Because we closed below, we closed no top wick. We got the low, we got the high, we got the rebreak, we got the rebreak. So we shouldn't come down, and if we come down, we probably bleed. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot here. We got huge ranges, so
yeah, it needs to be quick. Because 30 minutes probably gonna close strong bullish. 1 hour's looking good to fly, but definitely understand that low needs to be quick. That's what I'm saying.
yeah. We already had the break of the, like we had the low, a high, rebreak of the low, and now a rebreak of the high. So that's why I'm saying now I like the impulse, because we already had like this liquidity grabs. So if we now come down without pushing, I like it. But if you keep breaking the highs and just push, then we just wait. Alright, looks like, let's see. Yeah, if it breaks highs one more time, I'm deleting, otherwise it's still okay. 1 hour looks. Yeah, 1 hour about to close, but then we also have a wick to fill. And we've seen Goldie like tend to fill wicks a lot lately. Likes to do it.
That's rejection from the top.
This is a more risky trade, but I like this one. So, yeah, lower risk.
Order filled.
Yeah, the 5 is not looking that good right now, but let's see, we can still flip down. Might just come up for that top wick. Keep going.
I think the 5 looks pretty decent.
Yeah, just the way we came down for that bottom wick first and then came up, so that was a little bit...
Yeah. Break of those lows.
Yeah, but if you break the lows again, I think it's good.
Mr. T&D.
TND already in?
Yeah.
Already in profits, dang. Risk free.
W, brother.
Wish me
W.
luck, TND. Oh no, we coming back up.
Bleed. Bleed. $15 close resistance. I mean, it's looking like it may want to come down, you know. And down it comes. You know, are you speaking?
Oh, yeah, I was speaking. Sorry. I was. I'm I'm going risk free here on this trade. Let's see if we can tap partials. I was so close. Yeah. Let's see. Can it finish the job for me? 1 minute. Come on.
Let's hope that 5-minute top wick drops down and hits your TP first.
Yeah. Anyway, I like to manage a little bit heavier here on this trade because it's an impulse. We can still get another entry on the 15 closure, so yeah, I like to manage a little bit more aggressive here on this one.
Yeah, bro, W.
Let's hope
W
we
read
come
too.
down first.
Seriously.
See if I can get the partials hit. I'll just put this like right below the, if you break the lows, I want to get hit. Just to secure something.
Yeah, next move looks good too, so
Yeah, I like if we close bearish. Nah, so close. Come on. Don't come up. Don't come up. It's trying.
come on, gold. Just tap my boy's line and then do what you want.
For real. Not that one though.
That's the wrong line.
Yeah, this might be might get break even on this trade. But then, like I said, if we get the 15 to close bearish, I still like the move, so we can get another entry.
Yeah, me too.
And if you don't drive right now, it's okay to tap me out. It's okay.
Yeah.
I think the read was good. Almost partials, was close.
I think the read was excellent, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I mean, from your move got like 180 pips, brother.
100, yeah. Yeah, not bad, not bad.
He says not bad.
I mean,
Okay.
we on a day like this, it's like every move is like that. But yeah, almost
Nah,
1 to
but
1.
still, bro. Still.
It's not over yet.
We
Yeah,
can't
true.
be we can't be sad about 180 pips. Whoever took that W.
Order filled.
And we got partials.
W's.
Right there.
Who's doing that?
That was AB.
W knows.
Alright, W trade. Let's see if it can keep bleeding. Probably gonna get tapped out on that next 15, but yeah, we got partials, so I don't care. Nice. Full out at 4-8. Yeah, nice one. Makes sense to go full out and then maybe look for a re-entry if you're interested, if you close below here. Because now it's... Yeah. Let's see. You also got
W,
London
Benji.
open.
Yeah, so the 30 is probably gonna be closing bullish. So steep top wick is in order. What steep means in this market, I don't even want to know.
Been drilling these impulse over the weekend, so I thought I've got to try it. Nice. And you got paid. W, Benji. Alright, we coming back up there. It's not looking good for my runner. It's...
Order filled.
Alright, I'm out. Partials
Yeah.
though. Nice trade.
That's 300 pips only. Help and GL.
Sorry, man.
Not the best, not the best closure. But if we do grab these highs, I might be interested in current candle.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
Of course you did.
Of course, of course.
Because the 30 has no bottom. We would expect it to make a bottom. And this is also breaking previous 1 hour highs. So if we can grab those highs, I will be interested.
Yeah, but we gotta grab them. Come on.
Yeah, need to grab them.
Hey, let me update the record finally.
Yeah, bro. Look at you go. W move, brother. Truly. Nice. Great read.
Thanks, bro. So we got 1W today. We got 6 to 4. That's a 60% win rate.
To come up to 70.
Yeah, we slowly
No time.
creeping out of the mess from the early beginning of this year.
Yeah.
Rarely had setups and then they didn't play out. So now I think we gonna get our win rate up pretty quick. I mean, we took another W that other London session, but that wasn't on the YouTube stream, so we don't put that on the record.
Yeah.
So it still makes sense, but they're too risky for me because we didn't broke the previous highs. Wanted to see the buyers get in.
Yeah, me too. This thing could flip, make a bottom wick, and then continue up because of that 30 alone.
Yeah.
It could just drive down now, but it's okay. If you guys like this, it stops at the previous high. Go for it. But I would love to see this high break.
Me too.
Because then we know that buyers are in there, right? We should have no business coming back down to re-break that low. And if we do, we may not be going up. You want to do it, Gold. Come on, you telling me you want to do it. I know you want to do it.
Yeah.
The only reason we're so strict on this high breaking too is because this 30 did close bullish. And the 15 closed somewhat weak bearish. And the 1 hour, rejected quite heavy. So if we do grab those highs, I think sells are valid.
Came all the way back up just to not grab the highs.
Which is another indication for sales, right? Technically.
Yeah. But then we can still come and grab these highs.
Yeah, exactly.
Man, now I need 750 more to pass this. I think
Easy,
that's
bro,
totally
easy.
possible today. Just need one continuation trade and then it's done. One trade that just, you know, keeps bleeding like these.
So just 2,000 pips?
Yeah, some light. I just need 2,000 pips, man.
Just a little some.
Little some. Yes.
What's up, Taumo?
Oh, we're coming for them highs. Just a wick full, yeah, basically 2,000 pips.
Literally. You don't even need a continuation. You just need
See,
a wick full.
if you go for this little wick full here, that's 160 pips.
Full margin, the wick full.
Got the
We
highs.
grab the highs. Let's see. My top step is bugging. And then you refresh this.
Shouldn't get too steep.
Definitely not too steep. Which is it's borderlining too steep.
Yeah, thanks, Cindy. I think if we come close to London Open
15?
and then and then
sorry.
also that close and we had this was a more risky trade, right? So I was willing to manage more aggressively, and we never had the closure below or bearish closure yet, so this wasn't really, we didn't really had that confirmation. The only confirmation that I had was 1, this extremely heavy bearish trend, then 2, that candle closing below, and then 3, that candle closing no top wick, and then 4, this candle coming up and grabbing these highs, giving this candle a top wick, and then yeah, I like the sells. Also the way this candle moved, right? We had a bottom wick, we had a top wick, then we came down, broke the lows again, then we came up, broke the highs again, and that's when I said now I like the sell stop, because at that point we have no business coming back down if we don't want to get this push, right? At least for the probabilities.
W.
Raja made another 1 million.
Pocket change.
Yeah.
Yeah, now this candle took a little bit too long to do that. Also, we are still continuously breaking highs, so we didn't really get that rejection we wanted to see. So, gotta wait.
Yeah. So I got 5 minutes on that candle. When I was managing and I was on mute.
Mm-hmm. And I knew it, bro, because I saw you managing. I'm like, this guy never manages in silence.
Yeah. Wait, that doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Crazy, eh? All you had to do was type 50 instead of 0.05. Exact same move. This is why I love trading. Nothing changes, just you grow. Yeah. And to get to the next level, who's in the way? It's yourself. So it's a constant battle with yourself to become better
bro.
and stronger. Trading, I mean, trading is really forming you in a lot of ways.
Yep. And it truly is you against you. You can trade with people, but at the end of the day, it's you that's executing for yourself.
100%. Looks like we get a range 2 breakout.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, Nurse is calling a shot on buys.
Nah, they make sense, but I just don't like sells today. For obvious reasons. Yo, Yoni, I didn't forget you. We got a call after this, right? London. Joni, I'm not sure how to pronounce you.
Let's call him Johnny.
Johnny Dachi. What about buys a 50-minute close above? Yeah, like I said, it's a good setup. Everything looks good. Even the 4, right? Yeah, no top wick really. It's just, we also have clean range. Everything looks perfect, and if you like this, the buys, go for it. Just for myself, I like to stick to one bias for the day. It makes it easy for me to trade. Because then I don't feel like I'm missing the move on those buys right now. I'm just telling myself I'm not interested in buys because the sells are better, right? Why would I settle for buys if sells are better? I always want to have the highest probability on my trade. That's why I like sells only today. But yeah, definitely that setup looks clean. My biggest reality check was starting trading. Mine too, Benji. Puts you to rock bottom.
Yeah. A few times.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes you hit lows you didn't even knew they were existing. And then you just crash through the floor and there's another one right below.
Get back up. Get back up.
Yeah. Exactly. And you have to ask yourself that question. Looks like we got out of those cells right in time.
Right, so 15 closed.
Yeah,
Above.
pretty strong. But also, yeah, I mean the wick is decent. It's okay. Yeah, if you guys like the buy, so let me hold you off. But I can see some more sells happening later, which I prefer. So maybe let it move up, because we don't know how clean this move up is gonna be. That's my issue with the buys, right? We might just I see it's coming up, right? But I don't know when and how. So if we just break the highs now and then we come down and we do this and we this and this and this, and you don't really want to be part in this, right? I rather want to be part in that move again. Could also just move up, but yeah, I think the probabilities on getting a clean move are on the sells. Like they are higher on the sells.
Yeah, I fully agree with you. W management. W management, you know.
Yeah. I mean,
It's an impulse. You know how they work.
yeah.
Either they go or they don't, right?
Exactly.
So
the last
when
chance
they
was
don't, manage.
yeah. The last chance was London Open to just crash down. But yeah. It just crashed up basically. That's
Yeah.
But yeah, you're absolutely right. If I'm entering an impulse, I want to see it happening quick.
Yep. It's a clean move, clean range with a nice closure that we hold. Slower to manage, but impulses, they're either quick or SL, so W management. And you got a W from it, so easy peasy.
Easy peasy. And now we're coming straight back down. Look at that.
Surprise, surprise.
Alright, now we got a sell sub on this candle here. We only got 565 pips stop loss, so I'm only gonna go 10 MGC, risking a little 5.5k on that trade.
W.
Closing full here for 700 pips then. Upendra gonna hold for 4k.
Some light.
Full margin, let's go. Yes, sir. Why not
I was thinking the
GC?
same thing, TND.
Yeah, you're
Yeah.
right. Let's
2
switch.
GC. Yeah.
GC. 2 GC
If
cells.
I were to take a GC, bro, I would go BE in the first 5 pips.
I would have this sidebar open where you can just, go break even on a click.
Oh, yeah.
And spam that button. As soon as it's as soon as you can go even, it's gonna be break even.
30-minute closure looks pretty interesting, to be honest.
Yep.
10 minutes, though.
Okay, we looked enough at that trade. Let me delete this so we have some more clean look at the chart. Yeah. Nice fake out. We are all rich already. I mean, look at us. We're just sitting here having a good time and making money off this.
Born rich. If you woke up this morning, you woke up rich. Hundreds and thousands of people did not get out of their bed this morning. Well, thousands.
Not bad if it closes below. I like 30-minute rejection too. Yes, sir. Looks good. 8 minutes, 9 minutes. See, Goalie, if you wanted to do this move anyway, could have just given us the the trade on London Open here.
Bro. Needed some liquidity.
Yeah, did we grab those highs? We did. See? Right there. Ouch. Oh no. Good morning, AJ. Thank you very much. I hope you had a great weekend too.
Good morning, AJ.
I can see Pitbull in here.
You know what that means.
Mr. Worldwide.
And David.
Morning,
We got
Pitbull.
David, Sergio, Sparta, Spine. Well, Sud and I agreed today. We got Alpha Trader and Divyanshu. And I can't pronounce their name, I'm sorry.
I think you did a good job. I would have said the same thing. Divyanshu.
Divyanshu. Divyanshu? That's more French.
Divyanshu.
Divyan. I was just looking to see if you got a W. Bro, we got a W in Asia and in London, people. We're Mr. Worldwide. Taking wins in Asia, London, and New York.
Give me a minute, you know.
Yeah, no problem. Can we all get some well wishes for Aaron? he's currently fighting with some headaches and stuff. Let's get him recovered for NY. We need Aaron. Yes, sir, Pitbull. We got, I think the year is just warming up right now. We had the first 3 months, the first like Q1 of the year was pretty slow and choppy. But I feel like markets are really moving cleaner right now these past weeks. Last week was really good. The week before that we also had good results, and yeah. Looks like we are starting to heat up. Sujay, how you doing, bro? What a trade in Asia. What? Got stopped right before the drop. But again, we secured partials, so that's the good thing about securing partials, right? Even if trade comes back and you don't get the full piece of the cake, you still got like some piece of the cake. Jeez, yeah. Did you see in the Profits channel what Upendra did, Sujay? We got a new record holder.
Yeah. Mr. Upendra. Benji, I would say so, yes. For the past 2 years, though, I would say, what did you say, February, it started to pick up already.
Yeah.
Usually January is a pretty dry month. But then in
January.
February starts to pick up, and then March, April, it starts to pick up. Usually the beginning of the years are slower, but this one in particular is a little bit crazy slow.
Yeah. January was my worst month, like always. I passed my first challenge in December. Wait, let me see. I got it on the wall. December 2024. And I lost it in January. This was yeah. Lost it straight away.
Yeah, which is why we become very selective on the charts. But it's picking up now for sure.
Yeah. Q1 is pretty chopped. And then in the summertime, sometimes you also get some chop.
Yep. But wait for September, November, brother.
Yeah.
Oh, but you traded September, November last year, so I feel like I hardly took a trade Jan, Feb. Yeah, it happens. It happens. And your moves, they will work out, just often don't give an entry. So it's just how it is. December for me is also proven to not be the greatest month. So I'm usually very selective around December. But the months before that, they compensate you very well for December. Yeah, like September, November, I took enough payouts to last me until like this year, maybe May.
Yeah.
W, Benji. W, brother.
think we're gonna have some more payouts coming in pretty soon.
Yeah, I need one good trade or two decent trades, and I can take payouts.
Nice. I need one more good trade and then I pass 2 combines.
W, bro. W. Stupid eval.
Yeah.
Hell.
I want my full maxed out XFAs back.
Bro, is that too much to ask for?
Bring back
Ah,
November.
we got a closure.
Yeah, we close
We got a
above.
closure. Yeah, very close. A little bit too strong. Bullish. If we wanted the lows now to be 300 pip stop immediately, without even forming that high really. Yeah. When price closes like this, 30 closes a bit too strong bearish like this, I almost expect the grab of that low and then a continue bullish. So hence why I'm not really interested in any impulses at that low, because I would expect price to come down, grab that low, maybe give 10 pips and then continue bullish. Do you agree, Inosh?
Yeah. Right now I don't see any setup. We don't have any signs for a impulse. We cannot just take impulse because we think price can reverse from there. Impulse always need some signs, right? So right here we had first also the volume was playing with us. So we had this massive candle up. George pointed it out. It was like what, 800 pips on that candle. So we had volume and then we close no top wick below. And then we got the price action on the next candle. Breaking lows, breaking highs, breaking lows again, breaking highs again. So at that point, if we break the lows one more time, I'm in. But yeah, here right now, we don't really have the signs. We close above. We close bearish, we close above, right? So everything still looks good to go up some more. Yeah, that low grab is just where you could get baited in.
Yeah.
And also the volume is a little bit slowing down.
How do you guys manage your mindset on evals? I feel like take trades that I wouldn't take on XFA, just pass them. Yeah, it depends what kind of trades you're willing to take on the XFA, I would say, people, which there lies the difference. Let's say on your XFAs you only take A plus, A, and maybe B setups. You would take on your XFAs, but you're also willing to take a C risk trade on your prop firm. I mean on your eval, then it makes sense. But yeah, I think Inosh and I do it pretty similarly. We like to take the more riskier trades on the evals because you don't really want to be holding on to evals for too long. You know, you pass it or you don't pass it in a week or two. Then you just go on to the next if you can afford this type of trading. But if you can't, then definitely trade them the same. Trade your XFA the same as you would an evaluation, maybe on the eval, just double the risk that you're going on the XFA. But yeah, in the long term, you don't really want to be holding on to evaluation accounts because they're not bringing you money, right? So in the end, you're kind of, in a way, you're wasting time because your evaluations, they're not bringing you any fruit, right? So you want to turn them into XFAs as fast as you can without forcing anything, of course. So if you do like the move, but let's say the stops are a little bit too big for your XFA, then you can take it on the evaluation. Because on the eval you might have more balance than you do on the XFA. There's many little nuances to it, but yeah, in the end, I think risking more on the eval makes perfect sense because, like I said, you don't really want to be holding onto evaluation accounts for too long.
I think it's also depending on what like which state are you in trading right now? Did you pass combines before? Did you take payouts before or not? Because if you're still trying to pass your first challenge and get your first payout, then I would treat these combines just like you would trade your XFA. Like, you know, because you don't have an XFA, you don't got payouts yet, so you gotta treat it like one. And then I would only take A+ setups, because then you get the habit of only taking A+ setups. And then once you are in the game and took a lot of payouts already, have multiple accounts, and now you just, you know, trying to get the next account passed. I think at that point it makes sense to say, okay, I have the money in the bank to back it up. I have the experience, and now I can go, you know, and risk a little more. If I blow the account, you know, I had like a couple of thousand payouts, dollars of payouts before, so yeah, you can pay for those combines. But if you're really just working on the side and then every combine is really hurting your pockets, you should treat them with a lot of respect.
100%. Yeah. If you never do that, then you'll never get to the stage of trading them slightly differently.
Yeah, I don't risk the whole EVA on one trade. The max I do is like the half the account. So you got $2,000 drawdown, and then the max I would risk is 1,000.
Yeah, W.
And that's high risk, I would say.
Yeah, it depends on the move, I would say too.
Yeah, and then also on the markets. In these market conditions, I've only traded. I only risk 500 on this EVA. So as you can see, this one took me. I'm in the 3rd week now. So in the 1st week, I only had 2 trades. 2nd week was pretty good, made it halfway, and now this one I'm gonna pass it probably. I'm looking forward to it at least. So yeah. On this one, I only risk 500 per trade, but if, let's say, I risk 1,000, I would have already passed it in, the 2nd week. But yeah, markets are a little bit choppy, or at least been choppy, so I lowered my risk on combines to just, not blow them as quickly.
Yeah.
I think we can speed up the process a little bit again soon. Go higher risk. Setups are playing out good again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Where's the London Open volume, bro? Shall we find it?
Yeah.
Ah, nice. Okay. ITND, thanks for stopping by, brother. Have a blessed day at work. We'll see you. We'll see you later.
East TND. Hey, and I just seen. Thank you, Anitria, for pulling by on YouTube.
Hey.
Appreciate that. Yeah.
Thanks, Anitria.
Everybody watching on YouTube, if you like the stream, if you like us trading, talking, hanging out with us, then we appreciate if you like the stream and give us a little subscription there. We are rushing to the 500. And if you subscribe now, you can say, yo, I subscribed to them when they were just like below 500 subs, because at some point we're gonna be big, I'm pretty sure.
If you like what we do, we trade every single session together on Discord. Free to ask any questions you like. If you do like it, you can check our website out. If not, that's okay. We're here in any case. We're gonna be doing what we're doing in any case.
Mr. Horton is not feeling so well today.
Yeah, he's got a headache.
It's, we got Aaron on standby today.
He's on call. Silver good to sell.
See silver.
Let's see. Looks pretty interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, does.
Oh yeah. Previous 1 hour on a top wick, also current very small bottom wick. 30 minutes seems to have tapped the zone, it's not really liking it.
Gotta wait on that
50
15
minute
though.
close resistance. Yeah, gotta wait on this 15.
Tell Aaron to walk it off. Well, actually, going for a walk often helps. At least me.
Get some oxygen.
Yeah.
Break low. Yeah, Jackie, I would, like you said, I would wait for the 15 to close. Back below, weak, bullish, or bearish, then looks good.
Man. Silver looks clean, how it moves. I like this.
Yeah, bro. So, there it is.
The mountain.
Trend line, trend line, trend line.
We get the trend line.
Whoa!
This is like a channel opening.
Goldie back up. Oh, okay. About to get that range 3 breakout. Yeah.
Range 3, let's go. Silver's looking interesting. But how are you gonna risk on silver on a day like this? One micro server and then you got stops here. So you're risking more than 600. Yeah, 700 almost. That's the lowest. Yeah, silver's crazy.
What's the weather like there,
Oh, we got sun today. Sunny and 9 degrees.
You definitely stole my sun, bro.
I think it's gonna get warm today.
What do I have? Okay, I have 13 degrees. But I got rain the whole week. Alrighty, range 3 breakout. Shee.
Silver closed back above. So yeah, if you get the next 15 to close below, I think it looks good. Then you also have a 30-minute resistance. But yeah, need to wait on the next 15 to close bearish below. And on Goldie, range 3 breakout, yeah.
Range 3, no, come on. It's gotta reverse from here. Boom.
Reversing my position, probably. Yeah, but I don't see a trade coming up here, honestly. Or maybe, actually.
Yeah. The only way is if this 30 somehow comes all the way down.
Yeah, close back below.
Even if the 15 closes below that new resistance it formed, it's got that's the thing, bro. It's got so much range. There's a trade everywhere. If you wait long enough.
Yeah, true.
Because if this 15 closes below that new resistance at 55.3, I mean that resistance to that support is just under 300 pips. The only issue is that 30 would be closing pretty bullish if that trade presents itself perfectly. 1 hour also very strong bullish, which is an issue.
Yep. That's true. Yeah, it could. Definitely, Tama. I think that would become a nice target. We also have that 1 hour here. I think it's the 4 hour opening, no top wick, yeah. So maybe we want to come up and grab these highs. And then in NY later, we get some resistance here, some fake out with some good volume, and then we sell down. Yeah, buys are just hard to trust today. You never know when the move up will end. Like I said, we might just run up, but we don't know how clean the move is. Like I said, it's just might just do this, and you can't really get a clean trade in. But then we get this down. You know what's also funny about the trade today? Like in the
What?
beginning of this year, I wouldn't have taken this because we were 15 minutes away from London Open. But how London Open was these previous weeks and months, I just didn't care about it.
Yeah.
I was like, it doesn't matter. London Open is just a joke.
Scam?
Yeah, it's a scam at this point.
Whoa, Goldie. Chill.
Goalie not respecting the range 3 breakout.
30 minutes looking interesting, but there's a lot of volume.
Yeah. 500 pip stops.
W.
Some light. Yeah, I mean, I could see it bleed down the way gold been moving, but I'm not that greedy. I'll wait 8 minutes.
Goldie?
Hmm.
What are your future plans? Your short-term future plans? Let me know.
Send the signal gold.
The study can close somewhat bearish. Looks good. How much is this 15-minute drive? Another 500 per 15-minute candle. Yeah, the 15's starting to chop just a little bit. Just a little bit. But if this 30 can come down now, break its lows, leave a wick, close bearish, gee.
Yeah. I
It's
like
looking pretty good. It's just how steep would that high be, bro?
Yeah, that's what we gotta find out.
No.
Let's see if we can catch another one.
I'm not looking at gold.
GJ Khaled. Three minutes. Can we wait?
You made me look up. No shit.
Harsh, good morning, Harsh. Yes, sir. We had a beautiful impulse right here. Something like this. We got partials right here. But yeah, that's all. Partials, break even. Never got the continuation. But now we're looking at potentially closer below here, and then yeah, some more salts. And we took some salts with AB in Asia. But that was on my other account. And yeah, 30-minute onion, same here. We just got TP1, the partials, and then break even. But yeah, I think we got plenty of sell opportunities today, so we're gonna get the next one.
Okay, gold.
Yeah, true. Let's check silver. What did silver do? Well, it's more like an onion now. See, if this structure would be below this line, this would have been a salary. If all of this would have been below this line. But now, if this closes like this, you got a beautiful 30-minute onion on silver, which looks nice to take sales off. Goldie going back up, okay.
L.
Yeah, L gold. Yellow card for gold today. Yeah, Goldie, no trade. I don't think we're gonna close below in 15 seconds, so let's take a look at
No
silver.
trade. Damn.
Yeah, could have been a little bit stronger for me, to be honest. Still looking good, but I would have liked to see the 30 close a little bit stronger. See you guys in a while. Alright, Upendra, bye.
Peace, brother. Peace, peace, peace.
Yeah, I need a top wig. I'm not trading silver just because I don't like the size on that pair. I probably have to go just one contract, and I don't like going one contract because then I cannot close partials. I can only close full. Makes it hard to manage the trade. But I like to watch it. But yeah, I think we are done here for this session, right?
Yes, sir. I think so.
If you guys are interested in silver, I think waiting on a rebreak of that highs makes sense. Otherwise, it becoming hard to put trust in that little wick. And yeah. Oh, Oscar, welcome back.
Let's go.
We're just about to close the stream now. Dang.
Sorry, brother. But
But
thanks
we-
for stopping by, man. Appreciate you.
Yeah, but we're gonna be back tomorrow again, bro.
Yeah, tomorrow, and we will, of course, be doing New York. That's just for the members, though. But yeah, W session, W regionals,
So
great management, something light, almost 190 pips
yeah.
when everyone was probably taking buys. W again.
gotta trust your read. It was looking scary, like you guys said. The 1 hour was looking scary and everything, but everything else made so much sense. So sometimes you just gotta trust your read.
Yeah, and manage accordingly. W.
Yeah, exactly. All right, nice session. W George.
Yeah. W, Mr. YouTube, thank you all for pulling up. You guys are straight OGs. Leave a like if you like the stream. If not, it's okay. We'll be back tomorrow, whether you like it or not. Members in the Discord, we will see you guys for a banging New York session. I feel good about this New York price. So yeah, let's just be patient, wait on it, and I'm sure we'll get something nice in New York. Yeah, if any of you are interested in trading New York, Asian, London, all with us, we do have a website. I did send the link, but I'll send it again if you guys want to join in. Check it out. If not, that's okay. But W morning, W session, and members, we'll see you in just a little bit. London, we'll see you tomorrow morning. Bright and
Yes,
early,
sir.
first thing.
Thank you all very much. See you all tomorrow.
Yeah.
Peace.
Peace, peace. Be blessed. It's courtesy of Aaron Horton. All you need is a little something.
yeah. And shout out
Yeah.
Black Forest Water.
Peace, gang.
Bye.